What's going on, my dudes? This is Mr. Gardner, and this is Math Time with Mr. G. Today we're going to be working on factoring special cases. Special cases are when we have perfect squares and difference of squares. So if we were to look at our C term and our A term, if they both perfectly square and add up to our B, that's called a perfect square. So if I were to factor this, I would have 7 and 7. And that gets me to 49, and 7 and 7 add up to 14. Then I have x and x. What I notice is that they're the exact same, x plus 7. So when I see the exact same thing, we want to condense it to take up as less room on our answer sheet as possible. So we write x plus 7 squared. So if there's no b term, this means a difference of squares, which means I'm still going to do x and x, but I'm going to do my perfect square of 8 times 8. One's going to be positive, one's going to be negative, because when I add them together, it's going to give me 0, and so nothing's there. So this is my factoring of difference of squares. If my A term is perfectly squarable and my B term, or my C term is perfectly squarable, I'm just going to do 3x and 3x. Then I'm going to do 5 and 5, but they have to subtract to 30, so I'm just going to do negative and negative, because negative times negative will give me to positive 25, but add up to my negative 30. These match, which means I combine them and then add a square. All right, if you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments section. Other than that, be kind to each other, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.